Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your LG Smart TV is acting up, freezing, or you just want to start fresh, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your LG Smart TV back to factory settings, step by step, quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on TV. First, make sure your LG Smart TV is turned on. Step 2. Open Settings. On your remote, press the gear icon to open the settings menu. You'll see a quick menu appear on the right side of your screen. Now, scroll down and select All Settings for more options. Step 3. Go to General inside All Settings. Look for the General tab. This is where most of your system options are located. Step 4. Reset to Initial Settings. Scroll down until you see Reset to Initial Settings. Select it, and your TV will ask you to confirm. Step 5. Confirm Reset. Click OK or Confirm. Your TV will now restart and reset itself back to its original factory state. This may take a few minutes. Step 6. Set up again. Once your TV restarts, it will show the initial setup screen. Simply follow the on-screen steps to set your language, Wi-Fi, and preferences again. And that's it. Your LG Smart TV is now reset back to factory settings. This is a great way to fix issues, speed things up, or prepare your TV if you're planning to sell it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.